Hey, welcome to John's Guitar Lab. Today, Mel Bay Book, page 38. Top of the page, the old mill, 2/4 time. All right, you see it's all eighth notes. All the eighth notes pretty much grouped together. A lot of the notes are the same note. All right, what we're going to do is set this metronome between 90 and 100, and we're going to be counting eighths. So in 2/4 time, two ways you could count it. You could count, the four notes that are in each measure, the four eighth notes, pardon me, that are in each measure. You could count it 1 and 2 and, or what I'll do right now is I'll count it 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, because the eighth note, each eighth note is a click. All right, let's try a little bit of this, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? All down strokes at the beginning, and you can see at the top of the exercise, it says it's all down strokes. Once you're comfortable with this, down and up. All right? Let's do a little down and up with this, okay? And again, we're counting eighths. Very important to understand that. 2/4 time, 2 beats to a measure if it's quarter. Counting in quarters, but we're counting in eighths. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. All right? And make sure you do top and bottom to this, okay? Because it's a duet. All right? Again, down strokes first, then down and up. It's 2/4 time. Set your metronome for eighths. All right? The exercise below is a scale study. Scale study is 4/4 time. All right? This one we could set either the same way, or we could go back to our 60. 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. Okay, that's if we're set at 60. We're counting quarters. So the eighths would be and bump, 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 bump. Okay, the quarter is 1, 8. Okay, you've got the drift on that. Again, with this one, if you want to set the metronome between 90 and 100, okay, just remember that you're counting eighths. So when you play the quarter note, that's going to be 1 and 2. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. Okay? That's pretty much all we're going to do right now with the Mel Bay Book. Again, page 38, the old mill. We want to do part 1 and part 2. Below, there's the scale study in the key of G major. All down strokes at first. Once you're comfortable, down and up strokes. Any questions about this? Okay, there's the comments below as usual. All right, if you like what you hear, give me that thumbs up and please subscribe and enjoy your day.